Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toaster ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Typhur Sink Oven. The best toaster oven we've tested is the Typhur Sink Oven. It's a large model with room for 6 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza, and it offers impressive performance for a variety of uses. It preheats quickly and maintains a very stable temperature throughout cooking, making it a great choice for baking and reheating leftovers, as they're unlikely to burn or dry out before cooking through. This model also performs well at air frying, which is uncommon among toaster ovens. It cooks nearly 3/4 of each batch to a crispy golden brown and produces results decently fast. It's a versatile toaster oven with a wide range of temperature settings and various cooking modes, like roast, dehydrate, and keep warm. But it also includes a couple of unique features that really help it stand out from the crowd. It comes with a wireless temperature probe, so you can cook meat to a specific doneness. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. If you don't need the extra cooking capacity and prefer to spend less, consider the Ninja Flip SP 151. It can't toast quite as evenly as the Typhur Sink Oven at full capacity, but it outperforms our top pick with 4 slices, and it toasts faster, which is handy when you need a quick breakfast before running out the door. It offers good air frying performance, it delivers results decently fast, and like the Typhur, leaves most of each batch crispy and well cooked. While it's a pretty versatile air fryer, its weaker airflow makes it less suitable for roasting or making extra crispy food. This short toaster oven has a unique trick to save counter space. It's designed to be flipped up on its back when you're not using it. This design also means you don't have much vertical space in the cooking chamber. This makes it more awkward to clean, and means that baking loaves of bread and cooking whole chickens are probably out of the question. At number 3, we have the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The COSORI Smart Air Fryer CS130AO is an impressive option at a mid-range price, and it includes some useful special features. When it comes to its basic functions, this model provides just decent performance in some cases, and fantastic performance in others. It toasts very evenly, especially at maximum capacity, but the process is also very slow. It's more efficient when air frying, but it still cooks a bit less evenly and much more slowly than the Ninja Flip SP 151. Beyond these basic functions, this toaster oven includes some less common options, like dehydrate, ferment, sous vide, and even rotisserie, which uses the included rotisserie spit. With access to the VSync app, you can send recipe info straight to the oven and monitor cooking too. Like the Typhur Sink Oven, it has a very large cooking chamber, with room for 6 slices of toast, a 13-inch pizza, or bakeware like a 9 inches by 13 inches baking sheet. At number 2, we have the BLACK+DECKER TO1313 SBD Toaster Oven. If you're searching for the best air fryer available at the lowest possible price, the BLACK+DECKER Natural Convection 4-Slice TO1756SB might be a good fit. While there are certainly some trade-offs at this price point, it toasts faster than the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp 31196FG, and the slices are pretty evenly browned by the time it finishes. It also preheats faster than any of the pricier models above, making it ideal for quickly reheating leftovers. Its temperature fluctuates a bit throughout cooking, but it's still more than stable enough for baking, so you can make a small batch of cookies with very good results. On the downside, this toaster oven is even less versatile than the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp. It also air fries even less evenly and extremely slowly. That said, it doesn't have a fan at all, or an air fry mode, so it's really not meant for this purpose. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you want to know if a toaster oven air fryer can stand in for a basket-style air fryer, the answer is somewhat complicated. While our top toaster oven/air fryer pick, the Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA 70, doesn't quite match the air frying performance of our best basket air fryer recommendation, the Ninja Foodi DZ 550. It comes surprisingly close. Using its air fry, mode and mesh air frying basket, the TOA 70 makes mostly crispy foods like French fries and chicken wings. It air fries more evenly than the Typhur sink oven, and it's much faster, rivaling the speed of most basket-style air fryers. Otherwise, it's a decently versatile option, though it has some downsides for uses beyond air frying. It's not the best for toasting, especially if you use its full 6-slice capacity, since it tends to toast the bottom of the bread very unevenly. It has mediocre temperature stability and sometimes overshoots your selected temperature, meaning baked goods like cookies or muffins may dry out or burn before cooking through. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.